President Emerson Mnangagwa Mande at the National Heroes Acre appeared in a rare, sad, and troubled curved face with deep lines of contemplation. Zanavena mashuka tinoti panguva inoyi aiwa zvonzi kuHeroes Acre kuri kuBattleground. Mafesi anga akapfekwa nevanhu ma2030 panguva inoyi aiwa kwava kuchipisa. Zanavena mashuka mudanhirwa pana bva subscribe like on the bell icon. Takana tenda mavetera mugona kukomera pazimi anobuda nyora chimuti aiwa nhasi akapora. Topinda zvekare pazimi anobuda chiti Mnangagwa kupfeka fesi yegudo kuHeroes. Osho mapicha samu kuona budanyira chiti draped in his trademark Zimbabwean flag scarf. Mnangagwa looked distant, almost defeated. His forced half-smiled failed to mask the turbulence despite the presence of his wife Auxilia standing by his side. Clad in an elegant black dress, Auxilia's presence exuded composure, but the growing political storm within ZANU-PF was undeniable. Mnangagwa's ability to extend his rule beyond 2028 has sparked intense factional battles within the ruling party. Originally scheduled to step down after his constitutional mandate 2 terms, the 81-year-old leader is maneuvered to cling to power, floating proposals for constitutional amendments or internal party endorsements to override the term limits. His most formidable adversary, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, the very man who orchestrated Robert Mugabe's ouster in 2017 to pave Mnangagwa's rise. Chiwenga, the former army general, intends to take over in 2028, citing a power-sharing agreement that allegedly existed when he backed Mnangagwa's coup against Mugabe. However, President has shown no signs of honoring that deal. Instead, he consolidated power within his loyalists, sidelining and eliminating military commanders aligned with Chiwenga. Thomas Kwatru kuona kuti aiwa kuHeroes vakomana kwakusina kumira zvakanaka paHeroes Acre muchiona aiwa fesi ingapfekwa nemutungamiri wenyika yanga ichiratidza kuti aiwa munhu agumirwa, munhu apererwa. Even pamwe chete nemasecurity officers ake ari kutoshamisikawo vachiona mutungamiri wenyika ari mudhu yakadai. Tudze mafungiro emu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.